Namaste all of you. How are you? Fine. Okay. Are you ready to learning? Okay. Today I am going to start for you a new chapter, optics. Optics is the branch of physics in which we read about light, phenomena of light and related instruments. Okay? Related instruments like telescope, microscope, periscope, human eye. Due to this reason, human eye comes in your physics syllabus. Okay? Here question arises, what is light? Look here, light is a form of energy which gives us sensation of vision. Light is a form of energy which gives us sensation of vision. Without light, our eye can't do their proper functions. Okay? For the proper functioning of eyes, light is needed. When we explain about the properties of light, then we find that light is propagating in a straight line path. For the propagation of light, medium is not needed. Light can easily move in vacuum, while sound is not propagated in vacuum. Okay? Light shows both particle nature as well as wave nature. Later scientists like RANJAN gave the concept of wave nature of light. Okay? When we classify the phenomena of light, then we find that phenomena of light, it has two phenomena: macroscopic phenomena of light, microscopic phenomena of light. Okay? Macroscopic phenomena of light was based on the particle nature of light, and it was first of all explained by the Newton. Okay? According to Newton's corpuscular theory, light is propagated in the form of particles. Okay? It has two phenomena, reflection and refraction. Okay? While microscopic phenomena of light is based on the wave nature of light, and it was explained by RANJAN. In microscopic phenomena of light, three phenomena come, like interference of light, diffraction of light, and polarization of light. But in our syllabus of class 10, only we have to read macroscopic phenomena of light, that is reflection of light and diffraction of light. In next class, we have to learn microscopic phenomena of light. Okay? Now I am going to describe What is the reflection of light? Reflection of light is a phenomenon of light which is based on the macroscopic phenomenons of light, that means particle nature of light. Okay, and when the ray of light bouncing back in the same medium after incident on a reflecting surface called reflection. Like reflection. Okay, the bouncing back of light, bouncing back of light in the same medium is called reflection of light. Reflection of light. It is the phenomenon based on the particle nature. It is also explained by the Newton. Okay, here this is the reflecting surface. Okay, and the ray of light incident and comes back in the same medium after incident on a reflecting surface. Okay, this is the normal and this is the angle I. This is the angle R. ABC. Here AB is the incident ray. AB is the incident ray. Okay, and BC is the refracted ray. Reflected ray. Okay, angle I, here angle I is called to angle of incidence. Okay, that means angle between incident ray and the normal. Okay, angle R is called to angle of reflection. Okay, that means angle between normal and reflected ray. This is the normal and commonly denoted by N. This is the reflecting surface. It may be a smooth or rough. Okay, on the basis of surface, reflection has two types: regular reflection and irregular reflection. Okay, types of reflection. Reflection has two types: regular reflection and irregular reflection. In regular reflection, types of reflection, okay, it has two types: regular reflection and second one is irregular reflection. Okay, these are the two types of reflection. In regular reflection surface is a smooth or plane and incident ray becomes parallel after reflection. Reflected ray become parallel after reflection from the reflecting surface. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Here 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash are reflected rays and parallel to each other. 1 dash parallel to 2 dash parallel to 3 dash. Hence, this is the case of regular reflection. Okay? In the case of irregular reflection, surface is rough. Okay? And reflected rays becomes unparalleled or like as intersecting rays in the case of irregular reflection. 1, 2, 3, 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. Okay? Here reflected rays are not parallel to each other. Actually, they are like an intersecting ray. Okay? This phenomenon is happened in the mirror, while this phenomenon is happened on the utensils of steel or any other metals or highly polished surface. Okay? Here, reflection is not completely happened. Okay? And completely laws of reflection is not obeyed in irregular reflection. Okay? Now, what is the laws of reflection? Reflection has 2 laws. Okay? How many laws has reflection? 2 laws. According to the first law of the reflection, the incident ray, laws of reflection, laws of reflection. Okay? Laws of reflection. It has 2 laws. Incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal are lie in the same plane. Lie in the same plane. Okay? Second law of reflection is angle of incidence always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay? That implies angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is the angle between incident ray and the normal, while angle R is the angle between reflected ray and the normal. Okay? These are the 2 laws of reflection. These laws are experimentally verified by the Newton on the basis of his corpuscular theory. But in the case of refraction, Newton could not succeed to explain second law of refraction, that is mu is equal to sin I by sin R. That means Snell's law. Okay? On the basis of reflection, or the phenomenon of reflection is happened only mirror. Okay? What is mirror? Mirror a mirror is a reflecting surface which is reflected the light rays according to the law of reflection. Okay? Reflection has two laws, and mirror is a type of reflecting surface which is reflected the rays of light according to law of reflection. Okay? When we classify the mirror, then we found that mirror has mainly two types, plane mirror and spherical mirror. Okay? When we further classify the spherical mirror, it has two types, like here. Types of mirror. Okay? Mirror has two types. Mirror has two types. Plane mirror and spherical mirror. Okay? Spherical mirror has two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror, and second one is convex mirror. Okay? This is the classification of mirror. The shape of plane mirror is regular or smooth. It is the dash is the plane mirror, and concave mirror, this is the concave mirror. Concave mirror, this is the shape of concave mirror. Its reflecting surface is engraved. Okay? And this is the shape of convex mirror. Its reflecting surface is embossed. Now, in the next class, I teach you parts of the mirror and rules for image formation in mirrors. Till thank you. Have a nice day.